Good morning, everyone. Well, today's topic is about organizational diagnosis. To start with, organizational diagnosis is a creative method for getting to know an organization at all levels, from the surface levels to the deepest hidden parts that aren't visible to the eye. Performing organizational diagnosis is not so far from a doctor trying to diagnose its patients. So, some doctors diagnose differently by focusing on nutrition, food, and natural remedies, while the others diagnose by using chemical medication or even trying a remedy, uh, seeing whether it has a positive effects and then trying something new. This is very similar to what we have learned to do in business sense to organizations. Different diagnostic models can be used in different situations depending on the wants, the needs, and the goals of our clients or the patients. But the main purpose of diagnosis is to identify problems facing the organization and to determine their causes so that management can plan solution. An organizational diagnosis process is a powerful consciousness raising activity in its own right. Its main usefulness lies in the action that it induces. So, the major steps of diagnostic cycle include orientation, goal setting, data gathering, analysis or interpretation, feedback, action planning, implementation, monitoring, and evaluation. Well, I can say that my organization right now is currently in the stage of diagnosis. Why? It's because we are in a transition to a new management. So, new management, they have already a goal, they have set a goal or a vision where they want this company to be in the next 5 years. But before they can do that, they are trying to identify the problems which currently the company is facing. Like, even though despite of the people visibility, the good quality of the brand, still the company is not earning that well. So they are trying to figure out what are the things that they have to improve. So they are doing data gathering, they are doing analysis of previous records, they are trying to implement action plan. So one of the action plan that they are doing right now is to figure out which department is not being useful to their goal. One of those are to terminate some people which is not really aligned to their plan or their goal where the company will be. So there are a lot of people has been affected, but of course this is also part of the business. So the main goal of the organization right now is to survive and to grow. So this is one of their diagnostic procedures. So they have implemented some of the changes based on the information that they have gathered and based of the previous analysis of the data, and this is what they think that will be helpful for the company for their growth and for to achieve their vision for the next 5 to 10 years.